So the second fundamental right guaranteed to us by the constitution is right to freedom. Okay, now what is it saying? Prevention of right to freedom of speech and expression, assemble peacefully. Okay, now we have certain protections, okay, for fundamental rights. So the first protection according to the right to freedom is we have the right to speech. That means speech and expression, that means we can speak and we can express our thought, and also we can assemble peacefully. Let's suppose we want to assemble at India Gate. Okay, we want to go for an outing, or we want to have a street play or any other thing. We want to have a drama there, not a drama which is publicly harming. I am talking about the dramatics drama. Okay, so any such kind of thing we are allowed, we can assemble, but it is clearly written peacefully. Second, from association and unions. Okay, we can make different kinds of associations and we can make unions. Trade unions are there. Okay, that kind of union and association. Move freely throughout the territory of India. So in India we are free to move in the entire India. That too we need to take care peacefully. Reside and settle in any part of India. Okay, practice any profession. We are also allowed to not just move in any part of India freely, but we can even reside. That means हम रह भी सकते हैं किसी भी part of India में, and we can practice any profession. हम किसी भी तरीके का profession practice कर सकते हैं. Ought to carry any occupation, trade or business. Okay, protection in respect of conviction offenses, right to life and personal liberty, right to education, protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Now let us understand all these kind of protection in detail. Now what are they saying according to right to freedom? Equality and freedom of liberty are two rights that are most essential in a democracy. It is not possible to think of the one without thinking of the other. Okay, now what does it mean? They are saying when we are talking about liberty, which means freedom, and we are talking about equality, so we cannot categorize them as differently, that I want equality or I want freedom. Both of these two things are important in order to live in a democratic country. Also we cannot separate them, and one without the other is meaningless. Okay, liberty means freedom of thought. When we are talking about freedom, it means हमारे पास किस चीज़ की आज़ादी है? सोचने की, एक्सप्रेस करने की, and our actions. Okay, then they are saying, however, it does not mean freedom to do anything that one desires or like. I said you earlier also that our constitution is full of ifs and buts. Agar we are talking about freedom, okay, liberty, yes, we have the liberty to express. See, we do express ourselves on Twitter, right? Even if I don't like certain things about the present government, I do criticize my government. So we have the freedom to express, but we need to take care of things that we need to do everything within thinking about the limits of the constitution. If I am saying I have liberty, तो liberty का ये मतलब नहीं है मेरे पास किसी भी चीज़ को करने की freedom है. No, even if I am writing my thoughts need to be respectful. Even if I do not like the government, okay, I can criticize the policy, but that does not mean that I will abuse the government. We need to maintain the sanctity of an informed citizens. We cannot abuse someone, we cannot troll someone, we cannot make fun of that person. No, we can criticize on rational grounds, on reasonable grounds, but लुकिंग इट इनटू एवरी फैक्टर. हमें कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए जिससे दूसरे का रिस्पेक्ट, डिग्निटी हार्म हो. ओके, सिंस दिस पैराग्राफ इज वे टू लाइट, दे आर सेइंग when we are talking about freedom, okay, freedom is very important. We need to take care of equality also. How? Example, if I am saying I am having freedom, okay, like I am having freedom, let's suppose I am A, so I need to respect that even other people within the society, that is B, C, D, E, and everyone, they too have freedom. So I need to if I want freedom, I need to respect the freedom of other as well. So तब आता है concept of equality कि अगर मेरे पास freedom का right है, so other person B, C, D, E, F, इनके पास भी freedom का right है, we all are equal. Okay, so basic example you can always remember is, now let's suppose you are in a mood of party, okay, you want to party, your 10th boards are out, the result is out, you are happy, you want to party, that is all right, you can have fun, you can have party, but when you need to maintain the fact that the time is also there and you live in a society, so after 10 pm you cannot have loud music, because अगर आपके पास पार्टी का फ्रीडम है तो दूसरे के पास भी पर्सनल लिबर्टी है, पर्सनल फ्रीडम है, ओके, विच वी वर टॉकिंग इन दिस आर्टिकल. सो उनको भी पीसफुली सोने का अधिकार है. सम पर्सन माइट नॉट बी इल, I mean some person might be ill, we have even old citizens in our society, so we need to take care that जो मेरा freedom है वही सामने वाले the other person का भी freedom है, so we need to respect that. Okay, so that is why equality and freedom can never be separated, and we need to take care that whatever is my freedom or whatever is guaranteed to me by the constitution as fundamental right is also guaranteed to the other person. So we need to look into all those things, and we need to practice our fundamental rights rationally, reasonably, in a justified manner.